speaker, Mr. Christopher Yang, Commercial Director of Hong Kong Pavilion Group, sharing us his expertise and insight. Mr. Yang, please. Thank you. Hi, I'm Christopher Yang from Hong Kong Printing. So this is my bio. So I'm a commercial director and also a board director of the Hong Kong Printing Group. I lead the sales and marketing and the book and packaging printing business in the group. I drive a lot of digital transformation, culture change within the company. I'm also in charge of the CSR and green initiative, the group strategy and investment. Apart from that, we've been apart from the printing business, we've been expanding into education and the edutainment business. So Let Me Play, it's one of the business that we started right before COVID. So it's a theme-based experiential learning for children between 3 years old to 12 years old. STEM Plus, it's a group of mixed business. We have a GBA Education Expo. We have the I Tutors Math Tutoring. Formula Edge is AI business for school. Active Mind, we are actually the largest children book distributor in Hong Kong. And the other two, it's Hollywood, it's Taiwanese publisher, and D-Mind Education is English learning boxer. The reason I put this photo is because you'll understand later why I put this photo instead of a proper, like a very formal photo of myself. So Hong Kong Pavilion Group is committed to be carbon neutral by 2050. And it's also rooted in vision and mission. So our vision is to make ideas tangible, solutions sustainable, and produce products that benefit society. Our mission is really to build by building on a heritage of strong partnerships, of partnership with our customers, with our suppliers, and business innovation. Through business innovation, we create sustainable printed products and solutions that enhance every life. So, just want to do a poll before I start. So, have any of you switched to renewable energy source for your home or workplace? Let's see a show of hands. See, yes, if you have already transitioned to renewable energy. Any of you? No, but I plan to switch in the near future. But no, I haven't considered yet. The second one is what motivates you the most to engage in sustainable practice? Is it because of environmental conservation and production? Is it because of cost saving and efficiency, or is it because of social responsibility and ethical consideration? The third one is how interested are you in learning about sustainable and eco-friendly products? Is it because you're very interested and actively seek out for sustainable products? Is it because you're somewhat interested and consider sustainability as when you make a purchase, or you're not very interested? I prioritize shopping over sustainable is not most priority for you. So just some fun facts about renewable energy in China. So China is actually newly installed solar energy in 2023 alone. It's equivalent to twice the overall installation capacity of the United States in 2023 alone. The new solar, wind, hydro, and nuclear power installation capacity in 2023 alone is equivalent to France's total electricity consumption. And China has built the world's largest wind turbine, and achieved another incredible milestone. So, just one of the typhoon alone that happened a couple years ago, it actually generated 384 megawatts per hour of electricity a day, which actually power approximately 1.7 million homes. So that's just in one day, one typhoon. So actually, China itself, China's carbon emission will continue to decline in 2024. So this is just a short promotion video that we've done recently for our group on sustainability.
We achieve our sustainability efforts in three ways. Firstly is the responsible use of materials and resources. Secondly, the efficient waste management, such as recycling. And thirdly, the elimination of generated waste, including the reduction of VOC gas. For our decarbonization journey, we have to partner with our local suppliers and tap on their knowledge and resources as well. At the same time, we use solar power as a form of renewable energy within our company and implement smart manufacturing solutions in our factories, such as the use of the central exhaust air treatment system. In addition, we are in the process of electrifying our vehicles, including our forklifts, as part of our sustainability efforts. We are implementing two measures in this regard. We are introducing two green labels. One is highlighting the use of Hing, and the other is the use of eco-friendly materials. We encourage our customers to use this label to certify that their products are sustainable. To provide convenience to our customers, we also included the carbon footprint in our quotations for the products that we are manufacturing for them. This will help our customers to understand their own carbon footprint more effectively. We have a company that is called Bologna. This company actually designs innovative products, paper products to our customers. For these products, our Bologna company uses 100% recyclable craft paper to produce paper card holders and tote bags that is both sustainable and innovative. We aspire to be a socially responsible organization and encourage our employees to participate in many social activities, recycle our food waste, and encourage our colleagues to dispose their recyclable materials in our recyclable bins. Through these activities, we hope our colleagues can bring the knowledge back home to share with their family and friends.
So that's our group COO, explaining what we're doing group-wise in sustainability. So what is green? So green, it's a really reduced negative impact on the environment compared to conventional alternatives such as one is green energy. You can do it through green building, so they do it through products. You can do it through transportation. You can do it through your practices. Or you can do it green certification obtaining. And lastly, driving different green initiatives. So why is green gold? So by achieving gold, because I showed on my bio, I'm actually a very competitive sportsman. So actually everything I do, I wish to be to achieve gold standard. So that's why when we try to drive green, we wanted to achieve that gold standard in the industry. So by achieving the gold standard, it has to be a team effort. It cannot be it cannot be myself driving it alone. So it has to be the whole community, the whole group, the people around you, the whole supply chain driving it. So every day we need to achieve a personal best in driving green. So not only do we want to be green, we want to be best at it in terms of operations, supply chain, community, and products, and what I mentioned in the page before. So in terms of operation, you can see this is a headquarters in Hong Kong. You see the rooftop is actually filled with solar panels already. So operationally, as a business, it's no longer just being faster or leaner and cheaper like before. We have to put sustainability or green into every aspect of our business. So group-wise, green energy alone, we consume more than 10. We use more than 10%. It's from green energy, 5.5 million gigawatts. So we cut actually 2,050 tons of CO2 emission just by using green energy. IoT. So IoT is actually making operation more efficient. Investing in replacing old equipment, so becoming more energy efficient from new investments. we've been exploring recycling heat generated from machines and operation as a green tech. Green building. So all the new factories that we built, it's actually we consider natural lighting. So it actually saves a lot on electricity and all that. And we actually have a rooftop farming, so to lower the heat generated. Waste reduction, no waste in the top of our mind, and also a circular economy for waste paper going back into a paper mill and coming back to a printing factory to be used. So this is a VOC emission per ton. You can see from 2019 we are actually at 96,000 tons. And you can see that in 2022 we've actually cut down the VOC emission significantly by various activity, and we'll continue to do so in the next until 2050. So in terms of supply chain, do you all know what the scope 1, scope 2, and scope 3 is? So in terms of our supplier, we actually work with very closely with our suppliers on in terms of paper suppliers, knowing what the carbon emission is for each type of paper. Now working closely with our raw material suppliers and how we can become more efficient, and also our component supplier as well. In terms of customers, we're actually providing on each quote, we're supplying a CO2 per copy based on our production for each run we do. And we're actually going forward, we actually will make suggestions on how to lower that carbon footprint for each of the products. In terms of shipping and transportation, we try to consolidate wherever possible, and on a container load. So we actually lower carbon emission per each shipment. And most importantly, actually, we provide a Hong Kong warehousing service. You see in the photo, so that Europeans and American publishers, they don't have to ship the books all the way back to their own country, then supply it and fly it back or ship it back to the Asian market. If they want to grow in the Asian market, we can just dispatch it from our warehouse in Hong Kong. In terms of products and raw materials, so we work very closely with local universities and startups to do a lot of R&Ds with suppliers and coming out with new products. You've seen on the right hand side. We have actually a dedicated team in Hong Kong and China to work on specific formats and areas, working with customers closely on the existing formats on how to lower that carbon emission. We're using the use of plastic on packaging and production, like plastic lamination, plastic windows, and so on. We've actually we made a move last year to actually change all ink to vegetable ink, so which is mineral oil free, instead of using soy ink, which is a very low VOC already. So we actually taken that extra cost. And over 96% of the raw materials in paper used are traceable, certified, and recyclable for our whole group. So you can see the use of plastic from 2019 till now. From the use of plastic window and boxes in 2019, it's 1,300 tons, but in up to 2022, we're using 272 tons. And paper lamination as well, so it's dropped significantly. In terms of our community, so we provide EV charger to all our staff in Hong Kong. So a lot of our staff have actually changed to an EV vehicle in the past couple of years because of this service that we provided. We, as I mentioned in the beginning, we are the largest book distributor in Hong Kong, and we have about 10 bookstores in Hong Kong. So we're actually doing a book recycling program. So parents can actually bring their old books back to a shop, and it's a recycling to give another life to the book. We do Green Monday already. We've been doing Green Monday for the past couple of years in our canteen in Hong Kong, in our factories. Food recycling and recycling food wastages in Hong Kong. We're doing a paperless office. You see that we actually have recycling bins in our Hong Kong office. This is actually designed by our own team. Educating ourselves. So it's, having this being green, it's a big education process. So everyone needs to know what they need to do. So this is like, and even like simple thing like taking direct flights for business trips actually helps lower the carbon footprint. So in terms of promoting green, you can actually, if you're interested, you can scan the QR code. Actually leads you to a special edition, ESG edition of especially Bologna ESG edition of what our company has made. So we do the ESG journal. We have, as I mentioned in the video, we actually came up with a green logo for green products and also mineral oil-free ink. We do a sustainability uptake regularly. We do a lot of talks and seminars, book fairs with our customers, that to educate them more on green. On our email footnotes, there's you realize this actually we try to promote green and ask whoever is reading email not to print it out. And also locally, we work with some green NGOs to promote green in the local community. So challenges that possibly anyone could face going green. Costs, because it's a big commitment. I mean, installing all those solar panels and trying to go green, it's always an extra cost. Limited awareness in education, so not everyone knows about green, and there's a lot of different messages on the internet around you about green, but I mean, who's right and who's wrong. Resistant to change, and I mean, everyone is so used to doing things a certain way, but I mean, trying to ask someone to do things differently, it's a big resistance always. Complexity on the supply chain, keeping up with evolving regulation of the government, basically local governments and different countries. Limited availability of sustainable materials. When you're trying to go, different materials, different varnishes, it's still very new to the industry. If you want to go green, you have to really be accurate on the data, on how you can track it and measure to really see how you are impacting the environment. And most importantly, really balancing the economics and the environment priorities. So is your investment really paying off? And scaling up sustainability practice through your organization or through your supply chain, and also driving continuous improvement in that green aspect. So what you need to do to achieve those standards, first, just like setting any goals, you need to be ambitious, and you have to develop comprehensive sustainability strategy, fostering a culture of your organization or with the people around you, embracing the renewable energy, optimizing resource efficiently, adopt circular economy principles, collaborate and engage with your stakeholders, invest in R&D, and transparent reporting and accountability, and advocate the green policies and standard. So it's a call to action. So act now and try to lead and inspire others around you to go green. So becoming gold standard is not easy. So driving green initiatives requires a holistic approach, strong leadership, and most importantly, an ongoing commitment, just like anything that you've committed to. Any goals that you've set, it's if you want to achieve it, it's an ongoing commitment. So together we must invest in our planet. Thank you. So this is our contact. This is my contact. And, we actually have a sustainability email which you could email to.